Hi guys,
Hi.
welcome back to another video with me, Chosen Petty, in the kitchen. Today guys, I'll be coming to you from a different angle. This is my church, and every year we have this program that name Sister Gray, can you right, so Sister Gray, okay, so Sister Gray, can you say hi to the guys please?
Hi.
Right, this is my church Sister Gray, and she's the cook. She's
The
one of the
assistant.
cook. Okay. So today, guys, only hope wherever you are in the world today, if it's morning, noon, and night, please have a blessed day. Okay. It doesn't really matter how life is nowadays, guys. You have to just take it easy. Just trust in God, and you will make it. Okay, guys. Only hope that is a little word of encouragement. So, guys, get back to business. So guys, you know, in my kitchen, you know see them big pot here. As I said, this is the church kitchen, so you know we're cooking for how many kids, so you know, so the pot them have to be big. All right guys, so right about now Sister Gray is taking care of the rice.
Picking the rice, getting all away, rid of all the trash you might find in them. Yes, we don't want any small particles to get inside of our rice when it's cooked.
Right.
So I'm looking for the little trash.
Right. Good.
And then after I search it, I'm going to wash it.
Okay, guys.
So therefore, we'll have to make our rice free from any particles that's not needed.
Right, right, right. So, this is our another cook. And this is Auntie Carrie. Hi, Auntie Carrie. Say hi to the guys. So, let me tell you something, guys. When me tell her she can cook, believe me, not because you see she look so young, she can cook. Them always say nowadays that be a big woman can cook, an old man. This young one, she cook well. So, guys, throughout the day, you're going to see how she's doing. Okay, guys? Only hope you sit back and enjoy. So right about now, guys, she's starting about the... Well, guys, this is our little pot cover for today. Let's tell you now, the real Jamaican style, you know, guys. We don't worry about it. If a banana leaf with pot cover, we'll go along and do it. Right, Auntie Carrie?
Improvise.
Right. As I tell you before, guys, so the pot them big because we're cooking for lots of kids. Alright, so you're not going to find the pot them small like when I'm in my kitchen. As I said before, this is the church kitchen. Alright, so the Sister Carrie is taking out the pots and the water and stuff. Alright. Alright.
Look the particles them there. On the rice.
That is what she was taking out of the rice. Guys, you know, so we Jamaican, we pick out the rice, right? We not just wash rice like that, we pick it out.
Sometimes you find all little stones in it.
Alright. So guys, I'll be back, okay?
Yeah.
So guys, this is our rice and peas pot for today. And the peas is in it, cooking. And we're using an outside coal stove. Alright. So we're using an outside coal stove for today with our big pot of rice and peas. Alright, so we'll be doing rice and peas and chicken for lunch. Alright. Okay guys, here Auntie Carrie putting her seasoning like her scallion, pepper, butter, thyme, and we're not using any coconut today. We're using coconut milk. It's just as good as the coconut. And in a time like this, you know, you can't get so much coconut about now, so we'll use coconut milk. Alright guys? And it's going to taste just as fine as the coconut. Especially when you know what you're doing. So she's adding this seasoning. I said before, the butter, pepper, look in it. stir it kept close. We stir it now. Here guys, wow. Looking great. Wow. Guys, you want to smell it. Wish you were here to smell it. Wish you were here to smell it, guys. But as I said, smell with your eye, taste with your eyes. And she's adding her salt. And you know we Jamaican, we no measure. We put in our salt to taste, season to taste. We just judge and put in. See, look at what she's doing, right? We do. That's what we Jamaicans do. Okay, guys. All right. See, so our pot cover. Yes. This is our pot cover for the day. Okay. So you're going to put in the comment section when you shot a pot cover what you do. All right. Okay, guys. Here we are washing our rice. This is how we wash our rice outside. This is a different style, as I said before. It's not in the sink, not in the kitchen, but we are washing our rice outside. Okay? The great washing the rice. Guys, I have to wash it good.
Come start.
Steady on. Okay, yes.
So you can find things going away in the water.
Yes, yes.
I'm going to wash again.
Right. Back over this side, guys, is our rice and beef pot. It is again. Alright.
Catch water in it. Catch a good amount of water in it. Then come give me
Yes, our rice is added. The tea with the butter. Wow. Great.
I want to cook one time now. I want to add no water.
Right, right. Guys, look at the eels. Yes, look at the eels, guys. Beautiful Jamaica. This is my church. This is my church, guys. Beautiful hills and the valleys. Look to the hills from whence cometh our help, guys. Beautiful Jamaica. Okay. Oh. Pretty. This is the rest and peace spot. Pretty. Morning.
Good morning. Hi.
is our stewed chicken. So Auntie Carrie is going to stew the chicken, alright? So this is the chicken. Yes. Yes. So she's putting some browning on the chicken. You know, with Jamaican, when I like white chicken, our chicken have to brown and look nice. So guys, she have already seasoned it. She have put in her powder seasoning, which you use her all-purpose, her jerk seasoning. She already added those, and we already see the chicken from overnight, guys. So the only thing for her left to do was to just put some browning on it, alright? Yes. So guys, look what she's doing. Cutting up some onions and garlic. We're going to put onion and garlic over this time. So we're cutting up our onion right now. Right. Can I show it? You say? You say I put it in my and guys, with some onion. Put in the stewed chicken, right? Onion over here, more garlic.
Zachary?
So we're going to clean it up. Alright guys, we finish up and then I'll be right back, okay? Alright guys, so what's stewed chicken?
Somebody's in the bathroom already. Hey, go up, go on upstairs. Be careful of the pot. Remember the pot is there? Right. Upstairs.
You know that part there, you play your music. This is real Jamaican rice and peas.
I can put some of the food outside. Come on, I really want it. Hold on, Auntie.
And a stove, a next type of stove that we're using to do our stewed chicken, okay? Right. Then this start we also okay. Alright guys.
Remember the pot. Don't go near the pot. Strawberry are too near. This is our finished product. Our rice and peas. See?
Right.
Our rice and peas ready. Ready to serve. And this is our stewed chicken here. Ready to serve.
Right. Yes. For today, you see all what is going on here today. So, guys, go in my comment section and you're gonna subscribe. And guys, I want to thank you for your subscribe for the video. Okay, if you like this video, guys, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about today. Okay, guys. Do enjoy. Have a blessed day, guys. Okay, bye.
Bye.